Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome. So, in today's trading session for Friday, November the 18th, I attacked the SPY. So, first things first, let's get everything out of the way. Everyone's always asking me, trading out of a real account. Yep. So, there's my account right there. Obviously, I got to blur out my details because I don't want to violate the terms and services of my brokerage account. You see the date right there, 9:59. See real-time data. So stock is in real time. Amex, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, real-time feeds. Equity options, real-time feeds. Futures options, real-time feeds here. Forex and other, everything's all in real time. So what did we do? You see the amount of contracts I got here, always set up 100. We attack the SPY. What's the first thing we do for my Platinum X Power Option Trader members, right? Let me shrink this down so that you see it. What do? We draw the box. That's always the first thing that we do. Always, always, always draw the box. If you don't draw the box, you're going to be very unclear as far as what direction and what type of strategy you're going to be taking with the stock, and also you're not going to know what type of volatility and price action there is, right? So what's the box? The box is volatility. The box is price action. The box is support and resistance. The box is everything, right? That's why we draw it out, right? So that's the box there. That's the first thing. So when a stock opens, or sorry, the ETF with a SPY, where does it open? Above the box. When it opens up above the box, we tend to go long. But the caveat is if it opens up way above the box, like high above the box, like this opened up like $4 above the box pretty much, and the trend isn't strong, we know that this is going to come crashing back down into the box. So we just wait and we don't take the trade. So let me open this up here so that you see it. So look at this. This is an escalator to the downside, right? Look at that. Low level consolidation, a little bit of a bounce, escalation to the downside. Here we go, an escalator to the upside. And here we go, the big mighty drop right there, right? All in real time. So what do? I look at my 200, like I've always told you guys. There's the 200. Here's the 20. 20's hugging, going down. 200's going down, sloping down hard, pushing this stock down. So what did I do? Well, let's come over here. There's the alert that I sent out 21 minutes ago. The email came out probably about 2 minutes late, right? So let's scroll down over here. Where's my option I sent out to the group to you guys today? Bought to open 18th November 2022. SPY 395 strike put, 104 put contract, 20% profit, tight 15% stop, tight 15% minus a stop loss on this option trade. These expire today. Don't hold till the end of the day. This is just one of my dummy email addresses that I make sure that the emails come out to. So that's that. Where's the text alert? Here's the text alert. What time did the text alert come out? 9:39 a.m., right? That's what I'm looking at, right? So let's go over to 9:39 a.m. So let's come back over here, right there, right? You guys always know that I always wait. I wait at least 5-10 minutes before I take my trade. Sometimes I'll jump right in there. Today, because I had such a monster day yesterday, I was just like taking it easy and chilling out and relaxing. Well, there's my trade right there, right? Then we got consolidation all the way through, and then we got our big drop right there. And most likely, well, not most likely, I was out on that candle probably around 9:49. Let me just double check. Let me just drop down here. Let me just close that out. And let me select this. So yeah, right at the low, right there, 9:49 a.m. sent out the text. I'm out of this trade. Hit my 20% profit. I'm done for the day, right? So let's move that over here. So there you go, 9:49, right there at the low. See, that's how it's done, right? All the time. 200s pushing down. I probably should have stayed in this trade. This didn't scare me at all, right? That didn't scare me because that's the price action right there. That's support and resistance, right? That's support and resistance. That's why you draw out support and resistance. So you know your price action levels. You know what's going on with the stock, right? Look at this thing. I should have stayed in this bad boy, right? And what are we always looking at? Well, it's like I'm always telling you, you see these, you get these end of the day trading recaps every single day. I'm like a broken record. This is how you become a fantastic trader, right? This is how you become a good trader. This is how you become a great trader. You're going to have days where you lose, of course. Nobody's perfect, but if you get the right foundation down, you get the right formula down, you get the right strategy down, you get it down, and you understand what I'm trying to teach you, you will have more winning days than you do losing days. Right now, I'm probably about a 95-5 win-loss ratio, which is extremely high. Why is it? Because I built a system. I trade around my system. My system does the trading. I take the emotion out of the trade. For the most part, 99% of the emotion is gone out of the trade for me now. I don't fool around anymore. I don't get emotional anymore. I battle tested this system to hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. Pretty much over $2 million now. I battle tested this system. And now it's a system. I got it down. Now I've given it to you. I'm giving it to you. I'm telling you exactly what I'm doing day in and day out. And you're getting the trade. There's no BS, right? So we look at the ES right here, ES mini, SPX right here, right? And we get it all set up, right? Everything's all set up. Look at this thing. I should have stayed in this trade, right? This would have been a monster trade for me. Again, another monster trade. But, it's all right, right? I made my money. I'm good. I don't want to be greedy. So let's come over here because you guys are all probably wondering, well, what did you make? This and that, blah, blah, blah. Right? Well, there. Right? $1,500 on today. That was plus 20%, more than 20%, probably about 21%. If you're seeing a P&L here that says negative 87.79, that's the option train as well, because it's not the option chain. Sorry, I took another trade here. I've got this penny trade situation going on with these penny trade stocks, neither here nor there. Probably got to blur that out because that's nobody's business. And that's it. You'll see my order fills right here. So I'll show you my order fills. Like, this is 100% complete transparency for you. 939, so 939.34, right? There's my block. There's my block to get in and get out, right? I paid $110 for it. I sent it out to you guys for $1.04, but I paid $110 because I couldn't get filled. It was difficult getting filled. When you're doing big lots, when you're doing big contract sizes like myself, it's tough to get filled. So I put in a limit order and it was sitting there in waiting mode, and I can't wait for waiting mode. So I gotta exit, I gotta cancel it and replace it and go after a market order, right? So I can get filled right away. So that you guys see that, right? 2 orders, that's it. 8 fills, done, right? Let's come back over here. Let's go over the trade section. Let's go over the trade tab. Let's see what's going on with the trade tab. 1.5 million contracts traded already. More puts than calls. All right, it's a good day. Market's going down. Market's, let's go over option time and sales. Look at these big monster positions here, right? This is end of the day expiration, right? 0 days to expiration. These are big, huge monster trades that everyone's buying today to close out today. These 3 positions right here. This was one big block order right here. You can tell. All right, this is one big block, November 18th, 388, 387, 389. That was a big block position right there. All 3 puts, right? That's crazy. So that's it from Double P. Hope you guys took the trade today. Hope you were looking at the marketplace, and I hope you didn't get stopped out of this trade, because there's absolutely no reason for you to get stopped out of this trade if you followed the formula, you followed the foundation, and you followed the training, right? You get set up properly, you won't get stopped out of a trade unless it's really going against you. This trade was not going against you. This trade was going with you the whole entire way, right? And I got new alerts coming off for top scans and everything, but I'm done trading for today. So that's it from Double P. Over and out. I'll see you in the next trading session, which will be next week. Take care, everybody.